Hi class. This is teacher Jason, one of your English teacher. So today we will start about Unit 1. It's all about daily activities and routines. Again, it is daily activities and routines. Before we start, we will have again, it is vocabulary. Vocabulary. We have hobby. Hobby. Again, hobby. Second, homework. Homework. Next, housework. Housework. Next, always. Always. Next one, usually. Usually. Next, often. 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 Next one, sometimes. 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 Next one, seldom. Seldom. Next one, occasionally. 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 Next, from time to time. From time to time. Next one, rarely. 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 Next one, scarcely. 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 Next one, ever. Ever. Next one, never. Never. Next one, free time. Free time. Free time. Next one, weekend. Weekend. Okay, good. Already done with the vocabularies. Next, conversation. 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 So we will have situation 1, student. A, B, classmate. Again, A, student. B, classmate. What time do you have dinner? What time do you have? Usually have dinner at about 7:30 p.m. What time do you go to bed? I usually go to bed at 9:30 p.m. What do you like doing in your spare time? I sometimes go out, but I usually stay home and read or watch TV. It sounds good. Is that all? It's time to stand in line and sing the anthem. Yes, and I'll tell you about mine tomorrow. Go. Again, student A, classmate B. What time do you have dinner? I usually have dinner at about 7:30 p.m. What time do you go to bed? I usually go to bed at 9:30 p.m. What are you doing in your? I sometimes go out, but I usually stay home and read or watch TV. It sounds good. Is that all? It's time to stand in line and sing the national anthem. Oh, yes. And I tell you about mine tomorrow. Let's go. We finish now the conversation. Great. We have now useful expressions. Again, useful expressions. What time do you wake up in the morning? Again, what time do you wake up in the morning? What are your hobbies? What are what time what time do you go to bed? Next, what do you do after school? What do you do after school? What time do you Umay? What time do you leave home for work? What time do you leave home for work? Not very late. Not very late. Next, what time do you usually have breakfast? Again, what time do you have breakfast? Next and last one. May I ask you some questions? May I ask you some questions? Again, we're finished now on useful expressions. Useful expressions? Great. Thank you for watching, class. Bye. Bye for now.